Welcome back to the European Train Driver Channel, your premier destination for exploring the fascinating and intricate world of railways. We delve deep into every aspect of train operations, from the mechanics of the locomotives to the complex systems that ensure smooth journeys across the continent. Today, we're embarking on an in depth exploration of the critical, yet often unseen, role of the train dispatcher. These highly skilled professionals are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, ensuring the seamless flow of rail traffic. These professionals are truly the air traffic controllers of the rails, meticulously orchestrating the safe and efficient movement of every single train, whether it's a high speed passenger service or a heavy freight hauler. Their expertise is paramount in preventing congestion and ensuring timely arrivals. Every decision they make has a profound impact on train schedules, the safety of passengers and cargo, and the entire operational flow of the vast railway network. Their responsibilities extend to managing unforeseen events and optimizing routes in real time. Join us as we uncover the intricate details of how these vital individuals, with their specialized knowledge and advanced tools, keep our trains running smoothly and reliably, day in and day out. It's a complex dance of precision and foresight. Our journey into the world of train dispatching begins in the nerve center of the railway, the modern Rail Operations Control Center. These sophisticated facilities are the brains of the entire system, where all critical decisions are made. These centers are bustling hubs of constant activity, equipped with the most advanced technology available, designed to provide dispatchers with a comprehensive overview and precise control over the railway infrastructure. The environment is dynamic and highly responsive. Within these control centers, you'll observe expansive screens displaying real time track diagrams, live CCTV feeds from various points along the tracks, and integrated communication systems that connect them to every moving part of the railway. This integrated view is crucial for effective management. Train dispatchers work in carefully coordinated shifts, ensuring continuous, round the clock management of specific railway territories. This 24/7 vigilance is essential for maintaining operational integrity and responding to any situation at any time. Their vigilance is constant and unwavering, as they manage everything from localized branch lines to vast, interconnected regional networks, ensuring every segment of the railway operates without incident. This comprehensive oversight is a testament to their dedication. At the very core of a train dispatcher's extensive responsibilities are two paramount and interconnected objectives: ensuring absolute safety and maximizing operational efficiency. These two principles guide every action and decision they make. Safety is, without question, always the primary concern, taking precedence over all other considerations. Their fundamental duty is preventing collisions, derailments, and any other accidents at all costs, safeguarding lives and property. They meticulously manage track occupancy through a sophisticated system, ensuring that only one train occupies a specific block of track at any given time. This strict adherence to spacing is a cornerstone of railway safety protocols. This block system is not merely a guideline, but a fundamental principle of railway safety, strictly enforced by dispatchers through constant monitoring and precise control of signals and switches. It's a critical layer of protection. Beyond the critical aspect of safety, dispatchers are also undisputed masters of maintaining the schedule, striving to keep trains running on time and minimizing any potential delays across the network. Their scheduling prowess is key to efficiency. They expertly manage train priorities, strategically giving precedence to high speed express passenger trains over slower freight trains when necessary, to optimize overall network flow and meet passenger demands. This dynamic prioritization keeps the system fluid. From their centralized control centers, they remotely route trains, control signals, and operate switches with incredible precision, guiding each train along its designated path. This remote capability is a marvel of modern engineering. This advanced remote control capability is absolutely crucial for dynamic and responsive railway management, allowing for immediate adjustments to traffic flow and rapid responses to changing conditions on the tracks. It ensures adaptability and resilience. The technology enabling this intricate and highly coordinated control over vast railway networks is truly impressive, representing decades of innovation in railway engineering and digital systems. It's a testament to human ingenuity. One key system that forms the backbone of modern dispatching is centralized traffic control, universally known as CTC. This system revolutionized how railways are managed, bringing unprecedented levels of control and visibility. CTC empowers dispatchers with the ability to see the real time location and status of all trains within their assigned territory, providing an immediate and comprehensive overview of the entire operational landscape. This visual clarity is indispensable. Through CTC, they can control signals and switches from a single, central point, allowing them to dynamically optimize traffic flow, prevent conflicts, and ensure trains move efficiently along their routes. It's like conducting an orchestra of steel. Beyond the technological systems, effective communication is another absolutely vital tool in their arsenal, forming the human element that binds the entire railway operation together. Clear and concise communication is non-negotiable. Dispatchers are in constant, direct contact with train crews, including engineers and drivers, providing crucial instructions, updates, and safety information to ensure smooth and safe journeys. This direct line of communication is paramount. They also meticulously coordinate with maintenance workers on the tracks, ensuring their safety and integrating their work into the operational schedule, and collaborate seamlessly with other dispatchers managing adjacent territories. Teamwork is essential. This seamless and continuous communication ensures that everyone involved in railway operations is fully aware of the current railway status, potential hazards, and any changes to the operational plan. It creates a unified operational picture. But what happens when the meticulously planned schedule encounters unforeseen circumstances and things don't go as planned? This is where the dispatcher's true expertise and ability to adapt are put to the ultimate test. Trained dispatchers are not just planners. They are also highly adept at handling unexpected challenges and rapidly evolving situations, demonstrating remarkable composure and problem-solving skills under pressure. They are crisis managers of the rails. Imagine the complexities of managing a mechanical failure on a train, a critical signal malfunction, or the sudden need for unexpected track maintenance. Each scenario demands immediate and decisive action to prevent further disruption or danger. Furthermore, severe weather conditions, such as heavy snowstorms, torrential rain, or high winds, can significantly disrupt operations, requiring dispatchers to make rapid adjustments to ensure safety and minimize delays. Nature's challenges are constant. In such challenging scenarios, dispatchers must quickly and efficiently reroute traffic, finding alternative paths for trains to bypass affected areas, often with very little notice. Their ability to think on their feet is critical. They skillfully manage delays, communicating changes to affected trains and stations, and working tirelessly to minimize the impact on the overall schedule and passenger experience. Every minute saved is a victory. Crucially, they coordinate a rapid and effective response with emergency services, maintenance teams, and other relevant personnel to keep the network moving as safely and efficiently as possible during incidents. This multi-agency coordination is vital. This demanding aspect of the job requires not only quick thinking and extensive knowledge of the railway system, but also an unwavering calm under immense pressure, making them true masters of their craft. Their resilience is remarkable. The role of a train dispatcher, therefore, demands an immense level of responsibility, a vast array of technical knowledge, and exceptional skill in managing complex, dynamic systems. It is a profession of profound importance. They are the invisible heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes, whose dedication and expertise ensure the reliability, punctuality, and, most importantly, the safety of our entire railway system. Their impact is felt by millions daily. Their unwavering dedication keeps millions of passengers safely reaching their destinations and countless tons of vital cargo moving efficiently across the continent every single day, underpinning economies and connecting communities. It's a monumental task. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating and complex world of train dispatchers, the silent guardians of the rails. We hope this insight has illuminated their indispensable contribution to modern transportation.
If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the European Train Driver channel for more exclusive insights into the intricate operations and hidden heroes of the railway world. Your support helps us continue exploring these vital topics.